Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today the topic which I'll be covering is linking to external data. So first of all, going through the definition, internet is a rich source of information. We already know that there is a vast amount of information which is meaningful for us, which is beneficial for us, and it's available on internet, which is stored in the form of web pages. We all know that whatever information we want to search, it's already available in the form of web pages. Okay, like we are going to Google account or yahoo.com, okay, chat GPT, AI chat boxes, whatever, whichever in a website we are going, we are using internet, and the information is stored as web pages. The web pages are written in HTML documents, okay, that you might have done in your earlier classes in HTML documents where you are creating the web pages. Data on a web page can be stored in the form of tables. So data which is been made on web page, which is present also on web page, can be stored in the form of tables, okay. The versatility of a spreadsheet allows us to insert tables from HTML documents into Calc. So in Calc, there is the option to insert the data from tables which are present on web page directly in Calc. So that will be doing it practically. So for that, we'll be using external data dialog box. So first of all, I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Theory we have already gone through. So now going on the sheet, and now how to insert. There is option here, sheet, external links. Okay, this option. And as a result, you could see here URL of external data source. From here, we have to either select any sheet which is present on the computer, but just now I'm using the URL. So for URL, what to do? Because I don't remember the URL, I'll go to my web sheets. I'll directly, firstly, I'm going to cbse.government.in, and from here I have just checked this academic website. Okay, you can just see the link here on this link, and academic website, I'll just click. So this URL, I'll copy this URL, cbseacademic.nic.in. I'll just copy, Control C for copy, you know very well, and I'll directly go to my external data dialog box and I'll paste it here. Okay. And then what simply I have to do, I'll press enter key from the keyboard. And here it is saying select the locals to use for import. So I'll just click on automatic. Okay. Options are there, detect special dates, detect numbers. I'll not do anything here. Keep asking during the session. Okay. And then HTML all, HTML tables, HTML1, whatever option I want to select, I can select. But just now I've selected HTML all. And here is the option update after 60 seconds. So see, websites which are already uploaded, sometimes it's been updated time to time. So if I want, I can click on 60 seconds, or I can just change the time from here. And after that seconds, it will check whether any updations is been done on the website or not. If any updations is been done, so it will be reflected here. Okay. And then I'll click on OK. And you could see here, it's been shown here. Okay. And it will work also. If I'll just click it, control click. So you could see here, the website is been opened. So I hope this has been clear to you, how to directly go to the particular website and how we could create a link. And the option was here under sheet and external links. I'll again give the other example. I'll click on adding new sheet. Now here I want to add the tables from some other website. So what I'll do, I'll click on sheet, external links, and this time I'm doing www.libreoffice Yahoo.com. This site I have checked, the tables are present. Actually, it will take the data from the website where tables are present. Not from every website it will take the data. Because tables should be present. I just press enter key. If it's there, it will take. Seems. I'll just check. Yahoo.com. I'll just take this one. Wait. This was working yesterday. I just checked it and just see whether it's working or not. From this website, I'll be taking Control C and then I'll try to paste it. So, okay. I just copied the link from the website. Now it's working. Okay. So you can also do the same thing. And then directly, I'll just select, wait, I'll just select this one, this cell. Then do the same thing. External links. Press enter key. Okay. Update. Okay. So you could see here, it's working. When the data is present in tables there, it will take that data and it will show it in spreadsheet. So this option is present in LibreOffice Calc. So we have done this also. I'll go to my presentation. So this has been clear to you. Okay. Now moving to the next page. So these are the steps how to do it. We have done this already. I have shown you how to do it. And we have used the URL. You can just go through the steps. Already I've showed you the step. Now, how to create a link with some other sheet. Okay. This is another topic. Before doing this topic, I'll show you that also. I'll click on add new sheet. Okay, the sheet is been added here. Now the same steps I'll be using sheet and then external links. This time I don't want to insert the data from any website. I want to insert the data from another sheet. Okay, for that what I'll do, I'll click on browse. So whichever spreadsheet files are present, I'll just select it because I'm saving my data in PC desktop students. I hope you are also doing in the same way because it's beneficial to keep the data in a particular place. Don't try to spread here and there in my documents or on desktop. So here I am having one file, consolidate. I'll just click on this, open. It will show me available table ranges. So suppose I'll select first only and I click it OK. You could see here it has taken the data from that spreadsheet file. I hope this is clear to you. So we know how to insert data either from uh, website and I have also showed you how to insert the data from another spreadsheet. I hope that concepts are clear. Moving ahead, linking to registered data sources. This is all this, whatever I'm covering, this is already been covered in your CBSE syllabus. Okay. LibreOffice Calc allows us to link spreadsheet documents with databases and other data sources. See, you know very well, before starting your LibreOffice Calc, we have already finished database. So even in LibreOffice Calc, it allows us to link with the database, okay? Link with the database and other data sources. The data source needs to be registered. So this is the option actually. We have to register the database in LibreOffice. Registration is the means to inform LibreOffice about the type of data source and the location of the file. So registering data means that in LibreOffice, we have to tell Office that what kind of data source it is. Okay, and where the file is been saved. So that is only the mean to register the data source. Okay, so these are the steps how to do it. You can just go through the steps, but practically I'll show you. So directly now I'm taking you towards the LibreOffice spreadsheet. And for that, I'll be again taking a new sheet for you, add a new sheet, sheet 4. Now I'll be covering the steps. So I'll go to tools and here I'll see the options. Okay. And from here, this options LibreOffice based database dialog box will be present. And you have to just select where LibreOffice base is there, under that database is there. Because in your case, it might show in this way, but you have to go to LibreOffice base. Okay. Because actually LibreOffice base only is a mean to store database. You have already done this. But for the new viewers who have not done it, for them I'm telling it's available LibreOffice base. So here you have to click databases. Under databases, you could see here different databases which are saved earlier. So I want to select a new database. So I'll click on new and create database link. I'll click on browse again now because I'm saving my work here. So my file that is being shown here, which I have created in LibreOffice base. So I'm just selecting customer ODB, open, registered name customer. Okay, customer, let it be the same name. Click on OK. You could see here, that the customer name is being shown, registered databases. Okay, and I'll click on OK, and then view. There is an option here, data sources, where it is view data sources, and you could see whichever uh, database is being registered can be shown here. So I'll click on customer. Here are the tables, customer information, and you could see here the name is been appearing this side. That means our table is being registered and it's shown here. If we want, we can directly drag it and our table is been dragged this side. You could see in the spreadsheet. I hope this is clear to you. But one thing very important, if Java is not been installed in your computer, you are not in the position to drag this down. Okay. So installation of Java is very important. If it is not doing, it is showing some error, installation of Java is not there. So in that way, in that case, actually, you have to install Java. Already, I have shared that tutorial when I was teaching database. For the viewers which are new, you can just go to my tutorial where I have taught how to install Java. Okay, either what I'll do, I'll just share the link in my description. Okay, so with this, I'm closing my tutorial. And if you find my tutorials are beneficial for you, then please do like, share, and comment. And also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Meet you soon in my next tutorial.